Here are the top 6 automation initiatives that every manufacturer needs to have on their radar in 2024. We've had a crazy ride over the last few years. COVID, supply chain, well, it's got a little wild. We're starting to see the beginning effects of a labor shortage that's only going to get worse. Workforce participation is declining as our population is aging. Filling manufacturing jobs is going to create some serious challenges over the next 5 to 10 years. Automation is no longer optional as a means to reduce cost, but a requirement to maintain existing levels of production. But we're in inflationary times, with interest rates higher than we've ever seen in recent years, along with whispers of a recession, and we haven't even begun to talk about AI developments. So that rising cost of capital, coupled with the lack of consistency in the market, can make it intimidating for manufacturers to decide how to invest in their business. And that's why we're here to highlight the top 6 automation initiatives that every manufacturer needs to have on their radar as we head into 2024. Up first at number 6, machine automation, platform automation. One manufacturing trend that continues to grow is the shift from high-volume, low-mix projects to low-volume, high-mix projects. This directly addresses labor shortages and skills gap. This paradigm shift signifies significant change in how automation systems are implemented. Instead of being limited to a specific task, these systems are now being developed to handle a wider range of products and processes. Propelled by robot or cobot flexibility, palletizing, machine tending, and welding are a couple examples of application-driven solutions that exist today that have a solid ROI. Number 5, warehouse automation. The ROI here really comes from labor savings and efficiency gains. However, safety is the big side effect we want to focus on. Fork trucks are one of the leading causes of workplace accidents. In fact, according to OSHA, 95 people are injured daily by fork truck traffic in the United States. Number 4, traceability. Traceability in manufacturing is crucial for quality control, compliance, supply chain transparency. Implementing either vision-based barcode readers or RFID systems have shown to decrease defects up to 26% and see up to 20% improvement in overall production efficiency according to the Aberdeen Group. Number 3, energy efficiency or sustainability. But the ROI here is really structured around decreasing energy costs. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that efficiency improvements in the manufacturing sector can reduce energy use by up to 30%, saving manufacturers about $100 billion a year in energy spend. That's a big number. Number 2, condition monitoring. Predictive maintenance is a game changer. Being able to anticipate and address issues before they become critical can dramatically reduce downtime and repair costs. According to a research company, Frost & Sullivan, every $1 spent on condition monitoring initiatives returns $2.70. And number 1, data collection. The backbone of any modern manufacturing operation. Gathering and analyzing data is key for informed decision-making, process optimization, and overall efficiency improvements. But in 2024, with AI right on the horizon, it's more important now than ever. AI needs to train on a robust data set to be any good. And deploying an AI tool on the same day that you start a data collection initiative renders your AI algorithm useless. Data collection needs to be on everybody's radar going into 2024 as we look ahead to the horizon. As we anticipate the transformative landscape of automation in 2024, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Let's explore the possibilities together and shape the future of manufacturing. If you'd like to delve deeper into these initiatives or any automation initiative, reach out to NEFF and our team of automation professionals. Here's to a year of innovation and collaboration. Thanks for watching.